48 Ford F1. Looks like he's got well, it's drum brakes. Yeah, drum brakes, original front end. Looks like he made the fenders from it. Looks like trailer fenders. I like that because you could drive this thing without getting rooster tails in front of your face. Yeah. Look at that freaking motor, man. Did a lot of work on that thing. See, these things, this is the perfect hot rod to me because you can get at the engine real easy. It's got cool shit like that. Rat Fink up there. Got the skull and crossbones. You got a little trunk bed back here. Your fuel cell and ammo cans all bolted down. And you got fenders on it, you see? And your exhaust is coming out past your ear, which is another thing. You don't want it in front of your face. You can put some damn snow tires on this thing too. Mud and mudders. It's got your transmission brake thing on there, or lockout, whatever the hell it is. It's like a racing shifter. Racing bucket seats. Added on the turn signal. There's your air conditioning. That's all you freaking need. Plus you got these windows like that. You know, the vent windows. So. And your baby moons. This is a perfect hot rod, man. This is like a practical daily driver. You know? You probably put some 8-foot lumber in here. You just have to have it, you know, pointing at the back a little bit or something, or pointing up over the roof or something. It's cool. It's cool as hell.